In race one, we've got Misty Metal. She's a very limited filly, but she's a genuine place getter. So if she can get another place check, we'll be very happy with that. Ember King, lovely colt, but likely to need another start. Salt Lake City, a filly with ability. It's quite a strong field. If she could be running on into the money, we'll be happy. Silent War's been a bit of a tricky customer. He's running the same races over a mile, over 2-4. So we're removing the blinkers to try and get some improvement and a different result out of him. He's an honest horse. He's always in the money, but he's sort of just been too comfortable running places. And we're going to try to remove the blinkers and hope that will do the trick. Safe Space is a horse that's had a lot of bad draws. He got a good draw this time around. Although he's got a hefty weight to carry, I think he can find himself in the money. Jet Querari, another horse that's a bit limited, but seems to be in the money all the time. If he can run another place, we'll be happy with that.